So I think you are all familiar with the Roman symbols of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. You have the Roman symbols particularly for 1 like this way. For 2 you have this Roman symbol. For 5 you have this one. For 10 you have this Roman symbol. For 50 you have this one. 100, 500, these symbols you have in your hand. Okay, but an obvious question may come in your mind that what is the Roman symbol of 0? Have you ever asked this question? Exactly in this video I am going to give you the idea or the answer of what is the symbol of 0 in Roman. Okay, so let's get started with all of this. First of all, whatever symbols here I have discussed, this is the complete list for the Romanian symbols. Okay, by using these symbols they generate the numbers. In fact, if you ask this question that what is the symbol of 0, the answer of this question is that there was no particular position for 0 in Roman numerical system, because their numerical system was completely free of positional, that means it was non-positional numerical system, and at that time there was no need of arithmetic. In fact, you will be very shocked here that at that time of Roman numerical system there was no arithmetic. So you can imagine that there was no need of 0 as a symbol or as a position holder. Okay, that's why they simply ignore 0 as a digit, correct? And later on, when all the positional numerical systems came into the picture, at that time 0 was very much essential. Fine, this was one part of the story, and another section is that whatever numerical symbols we are now using in Romanian numerical system, in the form of Romanian numerical system, all these are taken from Latin alphabet, and in Latin the word nulla stands for 0. So it is quite possible that the Romans used this particular word nulla in the form of 0 or in place of 0. Okay, so this is the complete scenario for the answer of what is the symbol of 0 in Roman numerical system. I hope you got the point. And another interesting thing of this video, now we are going to start here. So you know all the symbols of Roman: 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. These are there for you, and by using these symbols you can construct so many varieties of number very easily. For example, here if we want to write 110, then this is the representation. If we want to represent 2020, then this is the representation in Roman symbol. Okay, so if you want to write the date of birth, that is 2nd November 1994 here in this board, so you will get this one as the symbol in Romanian. Okay, so now your job or your task in this video is that in the comment section you just put your date of birth in the form of Romanian. Okay, by using Romanian symbol you simply put your date of birth. I think you got the flavor that why there is no symbol of 0. So this was for today's video, and if you find it interesting then have a like on it. Please share this video with your groups, and if you want to enjoy many more videos related to various kinds of fact, then there is a channel's link in the description box. You just go there and enjoy the videos. So meet you soon in the next video with another interesting fact of mathematics.